Ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna be a really interesting moment, and I want you to stick till the end because I'm gonna be breaking down everything about my phenomenal weight loss journey. How I actually use keto and intermittent fasting to lose over 50 pounds in just 6 months. This is an impressive result. It was fast, but with a lot of up and downside. But I need to share everything with you. There is a secret about intermittent fasting. People don't know about it. Or actually people don't understand about it. When you're doing intermittent fasting and you have to start eating after your fasting time, you're gonna break your fast with a junk food, which is gonna spike your blood sugar and release insulin and probably stores everything you ate as a fat. But think about it 1 second. When you're doing keto, we come to the question how keto helps with intermittent fasting. Keto trains your body to burn fat. When you lower your carb and increase your healthy fat, your body switches from burning sugar to start burning fat. This makes fasting easier because your body already knows how to tap into stored fat. And keto also stabilizes your blood sugar. Fewer carbs equal fewer sugar crashes and spikes. Stable blood sugar means actually fewer cravings and less energy slumps during your fasting time. You stay more focused, calm, and energized instead of being hungry. Keto also reduces hunger naturally. Fat and protein are more satiating than carbs. When you eat keto meals, you stay full for longer, making it easier to extend your fasting period time without suffering. Keto boosts fat burning during fasting. When you're in ketosis plus fasting, your body is in a prime fat burning mode. You basically using fasting to accelerate what keto already started. Keto and fasting both lower insulin. High insulin equal fast storage mode, signaling your body to release that fat instead of store it. And ketones protect your muscle tissues. So even when you're fasting, you're less likely to lose muscle mass compared to starving yourself on regular diet. Keto sets the stage, switching your body to fat burning mode, and fasting turbocharges by giving your metabolism the time and space to actually do the work. So if you want to reset your metabolism and you want a simple roadmap to start, I created a free 7-day metabolic reset guide. Inside, I lay out the exact simple meals, fasting basics, and daily support strategy and daily support plan that help me out. You don't need a PhD or a gym membership to follow it, just a willingness to take the first step. Click the link below in the description to grab your free copy. It's my way to help you kickstart. You reset your metabolism safely with confidence. That was me, Shinrama Sensei, your favorite nurse here. And I will see you in the next episode. Hold up. Click the link in the description below to grab your free links, to grab your click the link below. The link. The link. The link. Link. It's a link. No link. And I will see you in the next episode. Hold up. Je reste toujours le point levé.